Hi friends, this is Anshuman Das and welcome to my channel once again. And let me tell you that one of the very big news and the good news is that my SSB date has come, and to now onwards, you know, today's 19th of May, and on 29th June I will be having my life's first SSB Service Selection Board. I'm gonna take, and I'm really very much optimistic about the confirmation of this, because I have been practicing or doing whatever it need to be an officer in Indian Armed Forces, especially Indian Army, because I'm really in touch with that kind of thing. So let's not, I will hope, but I will, just do better, do give my best, and I am officer, and I am just going to just be an officer. And I'm just need to go through the process once again. That's what I really want to, that I'm thinking of myself. Okay, so start with the current affairs of 19th of May. First is that just like a sun, learn to shine always, just like a sun. You don't have to be demotivated. You have to be always motivated to just be like a sun here. Every day it comes and goes, but every day it comes with the same enthusiasm. With doesn't matter how hard the whatever it takes, from it has been coming from million of years, okay, and still it's coming. So keep your high spirit just like that. Second is just like ocean, learn not to stop anywhere. So you don't have to be stop anytime. You have to be just continuous in the process of being making your personality really develop to become whatever you want to become, and they're gaining the knowledge every second, every day. A new concept you are understanding, that should be your concept in your life. Okay, with this, let's go first question. Let's start with the first question. Recently, which country launched its powerful supercomputer? It's Iran. The name is Simorg. Morg. The supercomputer is 100 times more powerful than previous Iranian supercomputers. The Simro computer supercomputer is developed by the Amir Kabir Amir Kabir University of Technology in Tehran, the capital of Iran. Okay, the supercomputer will be used for image processing, artificial intelligence work, load traffic, and weather data. Okay, if you talk about the Iran, the capital is Tehran, the currency is Iranian Rial, and if I talk about the Toman is going to be the new currency, but it has not been recognized yet. Okay, with this, next question is that recently which country has sent the ship Wakisan Explorer to explore the ocean floor? It's America. Okay, it's America. It depends from Port Canaveral, Florida. Okay, the Okeanos Explorer is sent on a 2-week exploration, exploring the ocean. This will create 3D maps of vast areas of untouched sea level in the Huddle zone. Okay, Armenia, if I talk about, it's America, sorry. It's emergency declared after cyclone attack. US allotted its Google Pay user to transfer money to India, Singapore. Okay, then 51 state, Washington DC, new active nuclear weapons, Vajra Prahar. Okay, these are the things. India and US exercise recently, which African countries, 30 people have been sentenced to death. It's a Democratic Republic of Congo, where 30 people have been sentenced to death. Recently, 30 people have been sentenced to death after clashes between two rival Muslim factions. Okay, on the Islamic holiday of in Eid, marking the end of the month of Ramadan, two Muslim groups clashed in front of Martyrs Stadium in the city of Kinshasa. The fight was over the right to hold Eid celebration at a stadium. Okay, so you can see what kind of thing happened there. The the vehicles are, you can see the broken, there's all burnt vehicles, then police and all these things. Okay, next is who has recently launched the anti-dumping investigation against China, Vietnam, and Thailand. It's India. The anti-dumping investigation was launched by the government in 2017 against the solar cell import from Malaysia, Taiwan, and China. What is the matter? Solar cells are the basic element of the manufacturing solar modules. Solar cells being imported from China are 15% to 20% less expensive than solar cell produced in India. Ultimately, it is rising the price of domestic solar modules. Okay, you can see how we import these kind of things from China. Next is which with whom Google Cloud has tied up for Starlink internet connectivity. So it's SpaceX. In the coming days, high speed internet will be available in any corner of the world. So you can see this person, he is a very famous and very motivated person, kind of person in his life. Next is in this 1500 in this 1500 Starlink satellite will be launched in Google Cloud orbit. Okay, SpaceX, its headquarters is California, USA. CEO is Elon Musk. What is Samvedana? So what is Samvedana? क्या है? टोल फ्री हेल्पलाइन है Samvedana, sanitizing actions on mental health and vulnerability through emotional development and necessary acceptance. So it's a helpline number, Samvedana. The aim objective of Samvedana is to provide psychological first aid and emotional support to COVID-19 affected children. The toll-free number for this is 1800-121-2830. The service will, under this initiative, is provided under various regional languages such as Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati, etc. You can see this is Samvedana by NCPCR. Okay. Next is which union minister has awarded the International Invincible Gold Medal Award? It's Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. It has been given that this award for outstanding services to humanity through his writings, social and public obligations. Next, which organization has developed the oxygen OxyCare system? It's DRDO. DRDO develops an OxyCare system to regulate oxygen in patient's body. It reduces the workload of hospital staff, eliminating the need to routine measurement and manual adjustment of oxygen flow. Operation Oxygen by Indian Air Force, Oxygen Express by Railways, then Maharashtra Oxygen Mission. DRDO headquarters is in New Delhi. Motto is strengthen origin is in knowledge. Successfully tested Python 5 missile in Goa. Supplement oxygen delivery system. Then single crystal blade technology. Then Rakshakta bike ambulance. Scientist of the year is Hemant Kumar, who wrote the book Sikkim, the history of intrigue and alliance. So it's a Preet Mohan Singh Malik. Foundation Day of Sikkim is 16th of May. When is World AIDS Vaccine Day observed? It's in 18th of May. Theme is Global Solidarity, Shared Responsibility. So AIDS is acquired immune deficiency syndrome. The day is celebrated in honor the thousands of volunteers, health professionals, community leaders and scientists who work together to develop the AIDS vaccine. The day is also addressed as HIV Vaccine Awareness Day. The concept of HIV AIDS vaccine was incorporated by the US President Bill Clinton in his speech at Morgan State University on May 18, 1997. Okay, World AIDS Day is 1 December. So when was International Museum Day celebrated? It's 18th May. Objective to raise awareness about the important role of museum in social development. The future of museum, recover and reimagine. 1 of May, International Labour Day. 2 of May, World Tuna Day. 3 of May, World Laughter Day. 3 of May, World Press Freedom Day. Theme is information as public good. 4th May International Firefighters Day. 4th May World Asthma Day. Then theme is uncovering asthma misconceptions. 5th of May World Hand Hygiene Day. Theme second wave, second save life, clean your hand. Okay. 5th of May World Arthritis Day. 8th of May International Migratory Bird Day. Theme is sing, fly, soar like a bird. For 11th of May International Technology Day. Theme science and technology for sustainable future. 13th May International Nurse Day. Theme is nurse, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. 16th of May International Dengue Day. 17th of May World Hypertension Day. And with this, I was just like to say you thank you very much for having that much patience and listening to my whole video. And thank you very much. Okay, with this thought, I'm just packing up. Okay, goodbye and have a nice day.